Wait. Oh, shit, no! I don't have... Oh, fuck, I don't have my Gatling gun! Of course, the Rippers have a big motherfucker! No, fuck! Oh! Hits like a fucking anvil. One hit almost killed me.
Yeah, that's right. Come on, you want some?
Jesus Christ. Eat it!
Bounties.
Big motherfucker. Ugh. We need to get all the bullets as we can, get as much medkits as we can. That thing just bounced me around. Oh damn, you're alive? Yeah, I've been alive since 9. The story's just gotten way too good. We got a puppy. Fucking everything was going great. Schizo betrayed us. Fucking sold me out. I got my tattoo burnt off my left arm. And now we got all these pricks. And so we just stole the dynamite. Iron Mike won't shoot fucking Schizo. He's just imprisoned him. So we stole all the explosives we've done sealed the caves up with. And, well, we just flooded the Ripper's fucking base. We found out that the main Ripper leader is an ex-biker member who we burnt all the tattoos off him. Hence why he's got an obsession with fucking scarring his body. Eat it. Hooah! My friend invited me to his B-Day party, and it was Halloween theme. Gonna go with Jesus. She gonna go with you. Good.
You ready to find Jesse?
Because I need to make sure I get all their gear off their bodies, because by the looks of it, they have big boys stored up here.